Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Motonation Bandido all-season textile jacket. I'm going to say it again. This Motonation Apparel, what's that all about? Well, Motonation is a company that has been distributing quality products in the motorcycle industry literally for decades. Since I founded STG back in 2006, it has been a pleasure dealing with this company. I find them to be one of the most reputable distributors in the industry. They've now decided, using all that they've learned over the decades of running Motonation as well as decades beyond that of riding, to offer a very small, super affordable, quality, functional line of motorcycle apparel. And we decided we'd review it because, you know what, it's awesome to have things that sell at a fair price, that are worth the money and are going to perform, and that are sold by reputable companies. Definitely appreciate that. The Bandido jacket, I think, could be the best item they have in the entire catalog. $149 is what it sells for as of the filming of this video. This jacket offers a ton of direct-to-skin ventilation. We'll show you that in a minute. A removable, windproof, waterproof, breathable liner, as well as a removable, fully quilted liner, both vest and sleeve. So for a lot of riders, this could be your one and only jacket, and you can get it at a very fair price. Something else that's unique to the Motonation brand is, if you notice, I don't look like a billboard right now. I might be wearing a chandelier on my jeans, but my jacket does not look like a billboard. There's one very subtle logo on it. That's what they've done with all their stuff. And there's people out there that's what they want. They don't want a bunch of branding. They want a quality piece, get right to the point. And this does that. Sizing, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 205 pounds, 33-inch waist. Size large right now in the Bandido. This is exactly where I would want it. I have all the liners in. I'm going to gain a little bit more operating room when the weather warms up and I pull the liners out. Features bennies. We've already talked about windproof, waterproof. I'll show you the ventilation in a second. Armor package. CE armor, elbow, forearm, and shoulder. Reflectives all the way around the coat. There's some printing there, some piping there, some more on the back. Using a heavier D fabric in the impact and abrasion zones, elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder, just to enhance the protection of the coat. Ventilation. And notice I'm wearing gloves right now. And I'm opening these vents. Right? Piece of cake, no problem. I didn't even practice. They are literally, this coat is just covered. There's exhaust vents on the back, right? I don't know if I can reach those or not. I might not have the flexibility to do that, but whatever. They're back there, trust me. I'll show you in the second part of the video. But watch this right here. This arm adjuster doubles as a device to hold the vent open. And you can see you pulling that a little bit. Your arms are out in the air. That thing's popped open. That's why I say this can be a hot weather riding jacket, even though it's not a mesh coat. They put so many vents in this thing that when you have those bad boys all open and you're riding, you're going to get tremendous airflow. It's going to keep almost anybody out there cool. The zipper pulls on the jackets, those are really nice. It makes it easy to use without taking your gloves off. That's a cool feature. Also, the pockets on the side of the coat. Hand warmer style. These are a little bit bigger. The opening's a little bit bigger than what we see with most jackets in the industry. Most jackets in the industry, I have a hard time getting my hand in there without wearing a glove. I wear 2X gloves, so I have bigger hands. These, I'm actually able to, with the glove on, get into the bottom of the pocket, no problem. I can go a little further and just I need to move it around a little bit because I'm wearing a glove. And I can get my whole hand in there comfortably. It's not jammed in there. They built that into the coat because they found that a lot of people, they don't want to have to take their gloves off when you go in your pocket real quickly. It's just inconvenient. So zipper pulls, larger pockets. The interior storage on this thing is also excellent. They made sure the pockets were large enough to hold the cell phones that people actually use today and not the ones that they were using 10 years ago, the small little tiny flip phones. We all carry these phablets now. Those are what are needing to go in the pocket, and they made sure the pocket was big enough to accommodate it. So cool stuff. Great price, great company. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned. Take it off, take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, inside out, the Motonation Bandido Textile Jacket. This comes with fully removable, stackable, waterproof, breathable, windproof liner, as well as a 75-gram insulating liner that's both vest and sleeve. Let's focus first on the windproof, waterproof version. Notice there's a mesh liner on the inside of it. That really helps to keep it from getting clammy. Nice bonus there. Comfort fabric lined around the neck. Multiple attachment points, zips into the coat. 2 attachment points here at the cuff. Easy in, easy out. Good quality stuff, especially at this price tag. Here is that quilted liner. 2 storage pockets, Velcro closure, larger is on the left. Expandable pocket over here on the right side. Once again, multiple attachment points are found at the cuff of the sleeve. Armor included with the coat, CE certified soft shell armor, elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder. Comes with a foam back pad, memory foam. If you want an upgrade, there are force field pieces available that can take this to a CE certified level. The jacket itself, very subtle badging, just that embroidered Motonation logo right across the top. Subtle color blocking. Back of the coat, we have 2 exhaust vents. Want to point out these zipper pulls again, check that out. YKK quality zips, and those badass zipper pulls you can actually use with your gloves on, and that's why they did this. This stuff, they really tried to ride in it and use it themselves instead of just have somebody overseas make it and then just order it up and sell it, right? There is development time spent here, and this company has years of distributing apparel in the United States. Reflective piping across both shoulders. Heavier abrasion resistant fabric is found in the shoulders, elbows, and forearms. Little memory foam stitched in between the layers here on the shoulder. Reflective on the arm. Volume adjuster and vent enhancer found here at the bicep. Pull that vent open. Once again, you can even do that with your gloves on. Got to dig that. And then you give a tug on this bicep adjuster. When you're wearing the coat, it's going to pull that vent open. It's right out there in the wind when you're riding on the handlebars. Drive a ton of air into the coat. Direct to skin ventilation. Big win. The sleeve. Entry and exit is handled like that. Nice little TPR, textile, Velcro gig here to gather everything up nicely. This is also a functional vent. Zip it down so you have it held on firmly. Zip it open. There's a mesh panel on the back side to induce airflow in the lower arm of the coat. Give you a full look at that, how that's finished. Neoprene trimming on the inside of the sleeve. Front of the jacket. Got a volume adjuster here at the waist, is done with metal snaps and textile. Hand warmer style storage pockets with zippers both sides. Once again, check out the zipper pull. Something else Motonation did with their apparel is they simply made the zippers longer on the hand warmer pockets front of the coats. Most coats you get, most coats we offer, and this is very common in the industry, they're just a little bit shorter. If you have big hands, you can get your hand in there for sure without a glove on, but it's a little tight. If you have a glove on, it's just never going to happen. So they open the pocket up, plus putting the zipper pull so you could use it with your gloves so you can get in and out of here. Most riders can get in and out of here while wearing a glove to retrieve things, so you don't have to always take the gloves off and put them back on. More reflective here across the chest. 2 more vents are found up here in the chest area. Right? Lower and higher. Collar is comfort lined. It also has a little catch here to hold it open when riding. When it's warmer out, you want to hold it open. You don't want it against your neck. It'll hold it in place so it's not flapping in the breeze. To keep the jacket waterproof, you see the gutter system that they have here. Main zip of the coat. Large YKK, large gauge YKK zips. Some of the finer zips, they're a little prettier up front, but they're not as strong as these. That's why they used it there. You get inside the jacket, 8-inch attachment point for Motonation pants compatibility. Zippered storage pocket here is found on the left breast that feels like it's got a waterproof liner in it. Large storage pocket here, left side with Velcro. Smaller storage pocket here, right side with Velcro. Also expandable, comfort lined collar. Here is the pocket where the back protector pad goes. All in all, what do I think? Subtle, hardly any badging, very clean looks, just a few colors available. If you're looking for an affordable, quality, simple piece of riding gear, this should be on your short list. This is the Motonation Bandido Textile Jacket.